Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 15. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited for this one. I got the blue version. Yeah, let's open this up. Oh, that is satisfying. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it looks so sick. Can you believe that? It doesn't even look real. It looks even better in person. But what? Wow. Like, this is... Okay, I'm gonna put it down. But this looks so sick. Oh my gosh. The two cameras. Even the Apple logo it's a blue. It's light blue. Oh my gosh. Wow. I didn't get a Pro model, so I still have the silent button, whatever you want to call it. But it's still, like, I'm pretty sure the Pro models don't have this color, which is why I took this, because look at this color. It's so gorgeous. Wow. Also, I'm excited about USB-C. Look at that port. We're going to be able to charge twice as fast. We're going to be able to, like, I don't know what else we can do, but I'm very excited about this. Here we go. Wow, that came off so easily. Oh my gosh, okay. Look at this. Let's turn it on for the first time. Oh. It might be dead. If I'm being honest, it might be dead. Oh, here we go. This thing is like, it's so beautiful. I'm in love. Hello, and look, you can see the little dynamic island up here. Wow. I'm so excited to set this up. I'm in love, literally in love. This is the coolest phone I think I've ever owned in my life. Okay, let's put that down for a second. Let's see what else is in here. So yeah, should probably get a new charging cable because it's USB-C now. Let's see. Oh, I'm pretty good at doing this, but oh, okay. So, bro, get off here. There we go. Okay, so it's like I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like braided. Whoa. And both sides are USB-C, which plugs into here. I saw a TikTok where they're like the USB-C cord is like loose. It's okay, yeah, it is a little loose, but not that loose. It's literally so firm. It's not like loose enough to fall out. It's just like it wiggles a little. What else do we got? Classic Apple package. I think that's it. They really kept the box minimal, which here's what Apple is doing now because they want to be environmentally friendly. But yeah, honestly, the box is gorgeous too. But oh, what is that? I didn't notice they made this little insert just for the camera. Anyway, 48 megapixel camera. Obviously USB-C, dynamic island. So gorgeous. Alright, that's it for my little Apple iPhone 15 unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A lot of people are talking trash about this iPhone right now, but I honestly can't care less. This is so cool. This is one of the coolest iPhones I've ever owned in my life. I'm so excited to start using it. Yeah, alright. Thanks for watching. Bye. Which is okay. Anyway, I'm gonna stop touching it because I feel like, I don't know, it's so precious. I need to put a case on it. Wow. Alright. Peace.